Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales, here today looking at this triple trench gate package that we ordered on this Max Lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. There is a couple different trench gate options. We also have an option where there's longer handles that stick to the side of the truck, but as you can see, these ones are still pretty nice, and they have this little stopper there so you can open it at different heights as well. So there it is, open. Still decent hole there. I would say it's probably about 14 by 14 inches. And then we also have these manual safety locks. So these are just kind of a safety feature so that the tailgate doesn't accidentally get opened while somebody's in the back here operating the trench gates. So these basically just crank down. I'm going ahead and loosening it right now, and with it loose, just pull it to the side, kind of locks down there. You can pull the pin here and take this off and keep it in the cab of the truck. But these are basically a safety feature, so when you got the bed up in the air and 20 tons of gravel, you know, up in the air ready to slide out of here, you don't want the tailgate accidentally open. So we strongly recommend those manual safety locks whenever you're ordering trench gates. This is Shay with Truxas Sales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. Thank you.